Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial video where I will be showing you how to make this simple top knot bun. You would have seen so many celebrities, creating a top knot in the award functions and, going for an event or red carpet look. So that's why I came up with the idea, and I just wanted to show you that how simple it looks. It does look tricky, but it's very simple to create the top knot. So let's get started. So I have oily hair right now. Oily means like greasy hair. My roots are super greasy, and top knots are perfect for the days when you have greasy hair. Now things which you need is few pair of rubber bands, bobby pin, a comb, and a hairspray. You can use any hairspray. I'm using a Tresemme hairspray. Now I'm going to be leaving few flicks on my face, and that's why I'm just gonna section the hair, like do a middle partition and just leave few hair on my face. This is an optional step. If you don't want to leave hair on your face, you can just leave it like that, but I like to leave few hair strands on my face. It looks amazing. Firstly, I will pull my hair into a high ponytail. I will comb back my hair away from my forehead and take my hair and pull it in a high ponytail near the top of my head, and then securing it tightly with a hairband. You can use comb for the clean look, but you can also use your fingers for the messy look. I'm using comb here, and then we'll be securing it tightly with the rubber band. You can use one rubber band, you can use two rubber bands. Totally depends upon the length and volume of your hair. Now this is how it looks. Next, what I'm going to be doing is I will start twisting the leftover hair on my ponytail, and twisting your hair like this will make your top knot even more smooth and prevent the flyaways. And then start wrapping it around the hair tie, wrapping it in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, however you prefer you can do it, but I'm going to be wrapping it around the hair tie. Once I've finished the wrapping, I will be using several bobby pins, the same color as my hair, to pin the top knot in place, both at the bottom and the top of the bun. And then using a hairspray, I will give the style an extra hold. Now, spraying a hairspray will prevent flyaways and make my bun look more smooth and more clean. Now using a straightener, the few hair which I left on my face, I'm going to be straightening those hair. If you want, you can curl them, but I like to keep it straight, so I'm just going to straight the leftover hair on my face. So there you go guys, this is the final look. Such a quick and easy top knot hair tutorial, right? I am sure you are all going to nail it. It's so easy, so simple. You can just create it in 5 minutes, especially for the days when you have greasy hair. If you like this tutorial, please let me know in the comments. I will see you guys super soon with a new tutorial, with a new video, but please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.